Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be making a cartoon pig from Angry Birds. Here's what you will need. A pencil, a fine point Sharpie, an ultra fine point Sharpie, and a piece of paper. To start it off, draw a little curve at the top, like that. Then, draw a little rainbow on both sides, like that. You can erase it to make it the shape you'd like. Then, add these little shapes in them, like that. And then draw a round body, like that. Then next, you will add a little curve at the top and draw a little curve like that on both sides. And make a little curve right there at the bottom. Then add a triangular oval and a smaller little circle next to it. Then at the side you will add big eyes like that. Inside the eyes, kind of draw a plus sign so that you know where to put the pupils. So a little bit off center, draw big pupils. Like that. Then erase the lines on the inside. Like that. Then add a big old curve, kind of like a tongue sticking out, and then draw another curve going the opposite way, like that. Next, you'll add a little curve for his eyebrows, like that. Then, to put more detail on the eyes, erase the edges, some of the edges, like that, and draw little circles where you erased, like that. Do that on both eyes. Now that you've got that done, you can start outlining it. Outline it with your ultra fine point Sharpie. Just outline the outside of it. Don't outline anything on the inside yet. Once you have finished outlining the outside shape, erase all the pencil. Like that. Then, on your ears, on the inside, outline the little curves. erase it on both sides. Then take the thick Sharpie and outline his eyebrows. And fill them in. Like this. Then, for his pupils, make sure not to color in those little dots. So it kind of will look like an apple bitten off both sides. And fill that in on both sides. And take your thin Sharpie and outline little circles, and then outline his entire eye. Like that. And then erase all the pencil from there. Then take the thick Sharpie and outline his nostrils. And then fill them in like that. Then take the thin Sharpie and outline his nose. Then outline his mouth with the thin Sharpie and his tongue. And erase all the pencil. Like that. Now that you are done, you can color it in, but that part is fully optional. Even though coloring it in is completely optional, I will show you how to color it in case you want to. So take like a neon green pencil, or whatever you want to use, and fill in the body. Don't fill in the ears, the eyes, or the nose or the mouth. Just fill around the ears, but don't fill this part in. Do that until you have colored the whole thing. Once you have finished coloring the body in, you will take a regular green and start coloring the nose in. Fill in the whole thing like that. Do the same for the ear. Like that. Then you will take an orchid colored pencil and color the whole thing like that. And take a red pencil and color the background. Like that. Now that you have finished coloring it in, you can you could add fun stuff onto it, like add a hat or hair even. Let your imagination run wild. I hope you like this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye!